Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see use Microsoft Defender for Endpoint to manage Microsoft Defender antivirus. In here we will create an endpoint security policy, then we'll edit an endpoint security policy, we will verify endpoint security policies. You will use the Microsoft Defender for Endpoint security settings management to manage Microsoft Defender antivirus security policies on the devices. So I'll just log on to the portal and take it from there. Alright, I'm logged on to the portal. We'll go to Endpoint Security Policy under Endpoint. Click on Configuration Management. Click on Endpoint Security Policies. There will be a list which provides a brief description of each endpoint security policy type. We have antivirus, disk encryption, firewall, endpoint detection and response, attack surface reduction. I don't have a policy that matches this query because this is a lab tenant. Alright, so you want to create an endpoint security policy. You click on create a new policy. Choose the platform. I'll do Windows 10. Choose a template. Windows Security Experience Defender Antivirus or Antivirus Exclusions. Click on Next. Test and test, the name and description. This is the settings that I was talking about. Behavior monitoring, allow archive scanning, cloud protection, email scanning. Let's say I do the email scanning from here, right? Other settings, etc., etc. See, there are a lot of settings for the PUA protection, real-time scan detection, scan parameter, and all the other settings you will see here. Click on Next. No groups. I'll click on Save and I'll have this setting as the email scanning. And when you want to edit it, you will just edit the existing policy and make changes. And if you want to verify the endpoint security policies, it can take up to 90 minutes for a policy to reach a device. And to expedite the process for devices managed by Defender for Endpoint, you can select policy sync from the actions menu so that it is applied in approximately 10 minutes. So this is how you will manage the Microsoft Defender antivirus through Microsoft Defender for Endpoint security settings by creating an endpoint security policy. And you can use group policy as well to configure and manage Microsoft Defender antivirus. You can use PowerShell commandlets to configure and manage Microsoft Defender antivirus. The same thing, you can use WMI, you can use the other features as well. Alright, so I believe it was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.